Hi guys, it's time to do a little technique now. So we're going to work on helicopter landings and then long land hand. Let's get you set up. Feet together, zip and step. Violin out. Put it on your head, in your ear, on your shoulder. We're going to turn and face our violin, and we're going to smile at our friends, and our friends will wave back at us. Look, they're so happy they're dancing. Okay, let's leave our violin hand right there. Let's see your bow hold. Is your thumb bent? Is your pinky on the top, curved, like a rainbow? Good. All right, we're ready to play. I would like you to put your bow on the E string. Is it on the E? What if I said, I want you to roll to the G string? Oh, you're on the G string. I'm going to call out some strings and I want to see if you can roll to them. E, A, D, G, E, G, A, D, E. Okay, now what I want to see is, I'll show you a long E, and then you're going to helicopter land. My helicopter flies and lands back. With me, ready, set, long E. Circle, land. Circle, land, and. Circle, land, hand. Circle, land, hand. Helicopter. Helicopter landing. Helicopter land safe. Helicopter land safe. Helicopter last time freeze. Good job. All right, put your bow on the E string. And here's what I want to see this time. I want a long E with a circle bow. Then I want you to roll to the G quietly. Don't make a sound. And quietly back. Are you ready? Long E, ready, play. Long E, landing. Roll to the G, roll to the E. Long bow landing. Roll to the G, roll to the E. Long bow landing. Roll to the G, roll to the E. Long bow landing. Roll to the G, roll to the E. Long land, hand, hand. Long land, hand, hand. Good job. Long land, hand, hand. Last time. Long land, hand, hand. Rest position. Oh, that was so good. Take a bow.